Today, we will talk about the brilliant mind of the Oracle of Omaha himself, Warren Buffett. We all know him as a legendary investor, but did you know he's also a master of frugal living? That's right. In this video, we'll be discussing the 15 smartest frugal habits that Warren Buffett swears by, and why you should start incorporating them into your life ASAP. So, grab a pen and paper because you won't want to miss these valuable insights. 1. Prioritize value over brand. Warren Buffett's first frugal habit is all about prioritizing value over brand names. He famously said, "Price is what you pay. Value is what you get." This means he looks for quality products that offer the best value for his money, regardless of the brand. 2. Simple eating habits. Moving on to his eating habits, Warren Buffett prefers simple meals like burgers and Coke. He's known for avoiding extravagant dining experiences and sticking to what he enjoys, which saves both money and time. 3. Modest housing. Warren Buffett has lived in the same modest house in Omaha for decades. He believes that there's no need to live beyond your means, and he's a great advocate for practical and comfortable living spaces. 4. No frivolous spending. Frugal habit number 4. No frivolous spending. Despite his immense wealth, Buffett refrains from unnecessary spending on luxury items. He famously drives an older car and prefers practicality over extravagance. 5. Avoid impulse buying. Impulse buying is a trap many of us fall into, but not Warren Buffett. He always makes deliberate purchasing decisions and avoids impulsive shopping, saving himself from buyer's remorse. 6. DIY mentality. Frugal habit number 6 is the DIY mentality. Buffett is known for his handyman skills and prefers to fix things himself instead of hiring professionals. This not only saves money, but also gives a sense of accomplishment. 7. Stay invested long-term. When it comes to investing, Buffett's frugal mindset shines through. He advocates for long-term investments rather than frequent trading, as it minimizes transaction costs and maximizes returns. 8. Read and learn constantly. A voracious reader, Warren Buffett spends a significant amount of time educating himself. His frugal habit of learning from books and staying informed has undoubtedly contributed to his financial success. 9. Avoid debt. Frugal habit number 9. Avoiding debt. Buffett is not a fan of unnecessary debt and advises against spending money you don't have. He prefers to live within his means and maintain financial independence. 10. Surround yourself wisely. Buffett's circle is small but influential. He believes in surrounding himself with people who share his values and aspirations, reinforcing the importance of surrounding yourself wisely for personal growth and success. 11. Stay humble. Despite his massive wealth, Warren Buffett remains remarkably humble. He values relationships over material possessions, showcasing that true wealth goes beyond money. 12. Give back. Giving back is another frugal habit of Buffett's. He's pledged to give away the majority of his wealth to charitable causes, proving that frugality can coexist with generosity. 13. Opt for index funds. When investing, Buffett often recommends low-cost index funds for the average person. These funds provide diversification and typically have lower fees, aligning with his frugal investing philosophy. 14. Avoid overcomplicating. Buffett's investment strategy is famously simple. He avoids overcomplicating decisions, emphasizing the importance of understanding your investments thoroughly. 15. Patience is key. Last but not least, patience. Warren Buffett's frugal habits are grounded in his patient approach to life and finances. He knows that good things come to those who wait, and that includes financial success. Conclusion. There you have it. Warren Buffett's 15 smartest frugal living habits that you need to start incorporating into your life ASAP. From prioritizing value to practicing patience. These habits can help anyone achieve financial stability and success. If the Oracle of Omaha himself swears by these habits, there's definitely something valuable we can learn from him. So which habit resonated with you the most? Let us know in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe for more financial wisdom. Thanks for watching.